start. All set now, ready to race, and the race is on. Matang Tubig in a knee-jerking beginning, followed by low-profile tap dance Malaya. Kid Molabe on the further outside, rushing up in between Ranich Kanlaon, Kaiser's Learn, and Macho Machine is the early trainer by about 8 to 9 lengths of the leader. Back to the front runner, Matang Tubig by about 3 lengths, followed by low profile. Kanlaon is running by the Tap Dance Malaya. Kid Molabe in between runners by the Kaiser's Learn as they move towards the 3/4 mile distance. Matang Tubig by about 2 lengths, low profile. Kanlaon, Tap Dance Malaya, Kid Molabe racing in 6-7, Kaiser's Learn, and Macho Machine is still the tail under. Passing the last 850, it's still Matang Tubig, followed by low profile Kanlaon, then on the inside Malaya and Kid Molabe starting to moving up. Tap Dance, Kaiser's Learn, and rounding the far turn, 3 runners matching the strike. Kanlaon in between runners, low profile Matang Tubig, Kid Molabe, Kaiser's Learn, and Malaya as they race for the corner. Now the course of the wind has been altered with the favorite. Kid Molabe takes the lead. Low profile in between runners, then on the inside is Kanlaon. Low profile on the outside is Kid Molabe. Kid Molabe is now the leader. Low profile Kaiser's Learn by the rail and nearing the finish line. Kid Molabe bagging the second leg of the Triple Crown Stake race. Second, Kaiser's Learn.